Hello, my name is Sian. I work at Student Accommodation Services at Nottingham Trent University. I've been helping students apply for accommodation at clearing and helping them settle into life at NTU for over 15 years. NTU has an accommodation guarantee for its students, which means we'll guarantee that you'll get a room. We have a couple of exclusions, so have a look at our website and contact us if they apply to you. We don't have a deadline associated with our accommodation guarantee, but we would recommend that you be here for any welcome events, as attending these will give you the best opportunity to start student life. So please don't worry that it's too late to apply for accommodation at clearing. Some of our campuses have on-campus options, and all of our campuses do have accommodation options available. The most popular room type for first-year undergraduate students tends to be an ensuite room. You get your own bathroom and then you get to share the accommodation, share your kitchen with other students. It's a really good way to make friends and makes it a bit more social. Another popular room type with our first years is a standard shared, where you share the bathroom as well as the kitchen with your flatmates. That tends to be a little bit more budget friendly. And lastly, we have a studio room where you get your own little kitchenette, so you don't have to share it with anybody. All of these come at a range of different prices, so do look at your options really carefully. And some of them include free deals like bus passes or other offers. Clearing students might be worried that they don't have the time to come to Nottingham to look at accommodation before they book, but please don't worry. That's what the NTU website is there to help you with. We have virtual tours, we've got photographs and loads of other information that's there to help you make the best choice for you. The first thing you need to book a room at clearing is you need to apply and get your clearing offer from Nottingham Trent University. Read that email carefully, as it'll tell you how to apply for accommodation. You should apply as soon as you've got that clearing offer. You don't need to wait until you've referred yourself through UCAS. You can apply as soon as you've got the clearing offer. In terms of how the booking journey works, once you've got logged into the system, you'll be able to pick your room from a list of available rooms, and you'll know your own room number straight away, which allows you to then look on social media, find your future flatmates, get excited about coming to university. Then to complete the booking, you'll sign a contract and tell us how you want to pay your rent. You won't have any payment to make until you get into October, when you get your student loan payment. If you have any problems with the accommodation booking system or just need advice and guidance relating to accommodation, please get in touch with the Student Accommodation Services team.